The flood situation in Manipur due to incessant rainfall has worsened after the breaching of the Imphal River, Kongba River and Iril River in various areas of Imphal city. More than 2,000 people has been shifted to invulnerable areas. It is reported that breaching of the Iril River at Khetri Awang Leka in Imphal East occurred around 6:30 p.m. yesterday, while Imphal River breaching at Oinam Thingel area in Imphal West District occurred at the wee hour today. The overflowing of the Imphal River has inundated localities in Singjamay and Langthabal in Imphal West along National Highway 102 stretch of Imphal More Road, while water from the Iril River submerged many habitations in Ketrigao, Wangkai, Yai School and various areas under Thongju constituency in Imphal East. Following which, the National Disaster Response Force and DRF, Indian Red Cross Society, Loktak Development Authority, Assam Rifles and State Police have been conducting relief and rescue operations. Personnel of Kokwa Police Station has also shifted their weapons and other material at safer places as the station has also inundated.